Welcome back to Exciting Machines. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cool survival gadgets you should know about. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, a prepper, or just love high-tech gear, these innovative tools are designed to keep you safe, smart, and one step ahead in any emergency. From compact fire starters to multifunctional survival kits, you won't believe how far technology has come. So buckle up and get ready, because these gadgets might just save your life one day. Number 1. IICAROS Parachute Rocket Red. The IICAROS Parachute Rocket Red is a high-visibility marine distress signal used globally for emergency situations at sea. Designed to be launched from a handheld device, the IICAROS rocket reaches a height of approximately 300 meters, about 1,000 feet, before deploying a bright red flare that burns intensely for around 40 seconds. This burning flare is suspended from a parachute, allowing it to float slowly through the air and maximize visibility over long distances. The red color is internationally recognized as a distress signal, ensuring that ships, aircraft, and rescue teams can spot the flare easily, even in daylight or low-light conditions. Manufactured in compliance with SALAS, Safety of Life at Sea regulations, the IICAROS parachute rocket is essential equipment for commercial vessels, lifeboats, fishing boats, and yachts. Its durable, waterproof casing protects it from moisture and harsh marine conditions, ensuring reliable performance even after long storage periods. Activation is straightforward. A user removes the cap, holds the base firmly, and pulls the firing cord to launch the signal. Its lightweight design and compact size make it easy to store and handle during emergencies. Overall, the IICAROS Parachute Rocket Red is a critical survival tool that enhances safety at sea by enabling quick and clear communication of distress, significantly increasing the chances of being located and rescued in time. It stands as a trusted choice among seafarers worldwide. Number 2. Nighttorm X1. The Nighttorm X1 is a powerful night vision device that brings exceptional clarity and range to nighttime viewing. Designed with advanced optics and cutting-edge technology, it offers true 4K resolution for incredibly sharp and detailed images even in complete darkness. What sets the Nighttorm X1 apart is its remarkable visibility range, up to 1,200 meters, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, wildlife observation, search and rescue missions, and security operations. Equipped with a high-performance CMOS sensor and 8x digital zoom, it captures still images and records video with stunning precision. The device features a large 3-inch LCD screen for real-time viewing and easy navigation of settings. Built for rugged use, the Nighttorm X1 is water-resistant and durable, capable of withstanding harsh environments. It also includes a built-in infrared illuminator with adjustable brightness levels, ensuring clear vision in the darkest conditions. Long battery life of up to 18 hours ensures extended use without interruption. The Nighttorm X1 combines performance and portability, offering features often found in much more expensive gear, all while maintaining an easy-to-use, compact design. Whether you're patrolling a perimeter, watching nocturnal animals, or exploring the wilderness after dark, this device gives you the power to see clearly when it matters most. With the Nighttorm X1, the night is no longer an obstacle. It's a new world waiting to be seen. Number 3. KUIU Pro G3 Bino Harness. The KUIU Pro G3 Bino Harness is a high-performance binocular harness system built for serious hunters and outdoor adventurers who value functionality, protection, and fast access. Designed with the outdoors in mind, it features an innovative rail lock accessory connection system that allows for quick and silent attachment or detachment of compatible accessories such as rangefinder holders, phone pouches, bear spray holsters, and hydration kits. This keeps your essential gear close at hand and eliminates the need for noisy or bulky add-ons. The harness is built to be ultra-lightweight yet rugged, with durable materials that can withstand harsh weather conditions, rough terrain, and demanding use. Its forward-folding lid opens silently and allows for smooth, one-handed access to your binoculars. The interior is lined with soft, protective fabric to keep your optics safe from scratches, dust, and debris. The harness fits close to the body, minimizing bounce and movement while on the move, which is crucial during hunts or intense hikes. Adjustable straps ensure a custom fit for maximum comfort and stability, even during long days in the field. Available in a range of camouflage patterns like Valo, Verde, and Ash, the Pro G3 Bino harness blends perfectly with different environments, making it suitable for everything from mountain stalking to woodland trekking. Its modular design means it's not just limited to hunting. It's also ideal for birdwatching, wildlife photography, and outdoor exploration. The KYU Pro G3 Bino harness offers the perfect combination of accessibility, protection, and versatility, making it a top choice for anyone who relies on optics in the wild. Number 4. Lokinav. The Loki-Nav is an advanced, compact survival navigation tool engineered for serious adventurers, hikers, and survivalists. Built with high-grade materials like GR5 titanium or lightweight aluminum, the device is both rugged and portable, designed to withstand the harshest outdoor environments. At the heart of the Lokinav is a precision oil-filled compass housed in a shockproof, waterproof casing. This ensures reliable navigation in all weather conditions, from desert heat to mountain snow. Its compact design allows it to be easily worn around the neck, clipped to a bag, or stored in a pocket without adding bulk. One of its standout features is the integrated 12x magnifying loop, mounted on a rotatable arm. This lens not only helps users examine maps, plants, or insects closely, but also serves a vital survival purpose. It can focus sunlight to start a fire in emergency situations. The top cap of a Lokinav is also multifunctional. Its outer texture can be used to shave wood for tinder, while the inside of the cap contains a mirror, useful for both signaling and personal grooming in the field. Despite its robust capabilities, the Lokinav weighs just around 48 grams in titanium and even less in aluminum, making it an ideal lightweight addition to any survival kit. Designed with a sleek, tactical look and available in various finishes, it combines both style and practicality. Whether navigating through the wilderness, exploring off-grid terrain, or preparing for emergencies, the Lokinav offers a reliable, all-in-one tool that ensures you're never without direction or essential survival functions. Number 5. Jetboil Flash. The Jetboil Flash is a compact and powerful cooking system built for outdoor enthusiasts who need speed and efficiency in the wilderness. Designed to boil water in just 100 seconds, it's one of the fastest portable stoves available, making it perfect for preparing instant meals, coffee, or tea while camping, hiking, or during emergency situations. The 1-liter cooking cup features Jetboil's signature flux ring technology, which maximizes heat transfer and minimizes fuel use, ensuring consistent performance even in windy or cold conditions. Wrapped in an insulated cozy, the cooking cup is safe to handle even when full of boiling liquid, and a color-changing heat indicator lets you know exactly when your contents are ready. No guesswork required. The Jetboil Flash also features a reliable push-button igniter for instant startup, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. Its bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup and bowl, adding versatility without increasing the weight. The entire system is extremely lightweight, weighing only about 13 ounces, and it packs neatly into itself, making it easy to store in a backpack. It's also compatible with a wide range of Jetboil accessories, such as a coffee press, skillet, and pot support, giving you multiple cooking options in a single system. With a stable base, efficient fuel use, and lightning-fast boiling capability, the Jetboil Flash is ideal for adventurers who want hot food and drinks without the wait. Whether you're deep in the woods or high on a mountain, the Jetboil Flash gives you the convenience of fast, reliable cooking wherever you are. Thanks for watching this exciting deep dive into cool survival gadgets you should know about. We hope these innovative tools sparked some new ideas and inspired you to be better prepared for any situation. Whether you're an experienced adventurer or just starting to explore the world of survival gear, these gadgets are game changers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Xciting Machines for more incredible content on the latest tech, gear, and innovations that are shaping the future. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Stay safe, stay prepared, and keep exploring with Xciting Machines.